First things first, let's kick off day one by exploring the heart of Lisbon. Begin your morning at Saúde Castle, where you'll be treated to panoramic views of the city. Then, meander through the charming streets of Alfama, immersing yourself in its rich history and lively atmosphere. Don't forget to visit Rocio Square, a hub of activity with its stunning architecture and inviting cafes. On day two, let's dive into Lisbon's artistic side. Spend your morning at the Calouste Gulbenkian Museum, housing an impressive collection of art from different eras. As the day unfolds, explore the vibrant street art scene in the LX Factory District. Wrap up the evening with a fado performance, a soulful Portuguese music genre that'll tug at your heartstrings. No trip is complete without savoring the local flavors, right? Indeed, the journey is often as much about exploring the culinary terrain as it is about discovering new places. The taste, the smell, the touch. It's all about creating a sensory expedition that stimulates your palate and immerses you in the culture from the inside out, the very essence of the local life. Day 3 of our trip is dedicated purely to this culinary exploration. It's about waking up to a day where every moment and every meal is an adventure. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the culinary diversity a new place has to offer. Our first stop of the day is Mercado da Ribeira. Now, this isn't just your run-of-the-mill food market. This is a place where food becomes an experience. As you walk in, the smells of fresh produce and cooking food hit you, making your mouth water in anticipation. You hear the friendly banter of vendors and the of grills, creating an eclectic symphony of sounds that adds to the vibrant atmosphere. You see rows upon rows of stalls, each offering a unique array of delectable treats that entices you and draws you in. Right from the freshly baked bread that fills the air with its warm, comforting aroma to the vibrant colors of the fruits and vegetables that are a feast for the eyes, every bit of this market is a sensory delight. You can sample local cheese, sip on fine wines, or sink your teeth into juicy fruits. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget the seafood. So fresh you can almost taste the salty ocean. The smoked meats hang in tantalizing display, waiting for you to taste their smoky goodness. If you have a sweet tooth, the pastries are to die for. Crisp, flaky, and filled with creamy this flavorful excursion. For lunch, we'll head to a local tasca. Now, tasca in Portuguese means a small, unpretentious restaurant that serves home-style meals. These are the places where locals gather, where family recipes are passed down, and where you'll find the true soul of Portuguese cuisine. Here, we'll savor authentic Portuguese dishes like bacalhau à brás. Now, this isn't just a dish. It's a narrative of Portugal's culinary heritage. Bacalhau à brás is a delightful blend of shredded cod, onions, and thinly sliced potatoes, all bound together with scrambled eggs. It's a simple, humble dish, but one that's bursting with flavors and textures. The saltiness of the cod, the sweetness of the onions, the crispiness of the potatoes, and the of the eggs. It's a symphony of flavors in your mouth. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. By the end of this culinary journey, you'll not only have feasted on some fantastic food, but also would have gained a deeper understanding of the local culture, traditions, and way of life. Because after all, isn't that what travel is all about? On day 4, let's venture beyond the city limits. Take a day trip to Sintra, a fairy tale town with enchanting palaces and lush gardens. Alternatively, soak up the sun in Cascais, a charming coastal town with beautiful beaches and a vibrant atmosphere. These escapes are just a stone's throw away from Lisbon, offering a refreshing change of scenery. As we approach the middle of our Lisbon adventure, let's uncover some hidden gems. Explore the lesser-known attractions, quirky spots, and hidden viewpoints that make Lisbon truly unique. Don't be afraid to wander off the beaten path and discover the city's hidden treasures. Day 6 is all about relaxation. Take a leisurely stroll along the Tagus River, enjoy a picnic in one of Lisbon's beautiful parks, or simply unwind at a local cafe. Take this day to recharge and soak in the laid-back atmosphere of Lisbon. On our final day, let's bid farewell to Lisbon with a bang. Head to Belém, where you can marvel at the iconic Belém Tower and indulge in the famous Pastéis de Belém. Don't forget to visit the Monument to the Discoveries, a tribute to Portugal's rich maritime history. As the sun sets on our Lisbon adventure, take a moment to reflect on the incredible experiences and memories you've made. And that wraps up our week-long journey through Lisbon, Portugal. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour and that it has inspired you to visit this incredible city in person. Stay tuned for more exciting travel adventures on. Until next time, happy travels.